Soil battery installed to solve energy problem. Helsinki, soil battery installed to solve energy problem. Finnish researchers have installed the world's first fully functional soil battery that can store environmentally friendly energy for months at a time. Battery scientists say that this battery can solve the year-round supply problem faced by green energy. Using low-quality clay, the battery is charged with electricity generated from the sun or wind. This soil stores heat of up to 500 degrees Celsius, which can later be used to heat homes in winter when energy is more expensive. Finland gets most of its gas from Russia. Therefore, due to the war in Ukraine, green energy has received increased attention. Finland has the longest, 1,340 kilometers, border with Russia in the EU and has been cut off from gas and electricity supplies by Moscow following Helsinki's decision to join NATO. While concerns about heat and light continue to worry politicians and Finnish citizens, a small technology installed in a small power plant in western Finland has demonstrated its ability to alleviate these concerns. What are the necessary elements to make this tool? About 100 tons of soil to fill a warehouse. These simple and cheap particles are the most effective way to store energy for the time needed. Note that www.thetechytube.com and its policy do not necessarily agree with the views of this blogger.